Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the booking.com location or search not working. First, head over to your settings app and then go to search and then search for location services and make sure that the location services for are enabled in your device. Next, allow the location permissions for the booking.com app as well. Then check your internet connection and refresh the page. Next, restart your phone to fix temporary issue. Also, head over to your app store, search for booking.com and ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes to update it. Next, if the issue continues, try entering the location manually instead of using a GPS. That's how you fix the booking.com location or search not working. Subscribe